Hello and welcome to my soy sauce and garlic fish fry recipe. For this I have 2 pieces of Selar fish. As you can see, I have cut slits into the body of the fish. This is to enable the soy sauce to penetrate into the flesh of the fish. This is an easy recipe with minimal ingredients. I'm uploading this recipe because I think it's an ideal recipe for beginner cooks and cooks who are in a hurry. I have 5 cloves of garlic here that I have chopped into little bits. 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce that I mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. Let's start frying. I have a pan on medium heat with 1/3 cup of cooking oil heating in it. The oil is hot now, so both fish are going in. Let's fry the fish until one side is done. Don't you just love the sizzle of hot oil? One side is done, so let's flip the fish over to the other side. Just see how the fish have browned so well. The flip side is done as well, so let's remove the fried fish from the hot oil. I'm turning off the stove now. Here we have the fish that have been fried. I've turned the fire on again on a low heat for the second step of the cooking process. The chopped garlic goes in to be fried. The garlic is brown and fragrant now, so I'm adding the soy sauce mixture. Let's now stir to combine the ingredients and let the soy sauce mixture come to a boil. Adding half a teaspoon of brown sugar to bring the flavors together. The sauce is done, so I'm turning the fire off. Now let's pour this garlicky, briny and slightly sweet sauce over the fish and let it seep into the crevices and infuse the fish with intense flavor. Such an easy and tasty fish preparation. Please do try it at home. Until I see you again with another recipe, thank you and stay safe. Bye.